Okay, so today we're going to show you how you can get emojis in Windows. Now, up until now, it's really only been possible to get emojis on your mobile phone and tablet, but Microsoft have now made it possible to get emojis directly on your PC. You can use them in any app. You don't need to download or install any software. It's already there natively. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So I'm just going to show you in Microsoft Word, but the same method applies in any app that allows you to enter text. So it could be Word, it could be Outlook, it could be WhatsApp on your computer, could be absolutely anything. So it really doesn't matter. The same method applies to absolutely any app that allows you to enter text. So all you do is you just hold down the Windows key on your keyboard. That is the key, and on the bottom left hand corner of your keyboard, usually in between the CTRL and the ALT key, or the FN key and the ALT key, on the bottom left hand corner of your keyboard. So hold that down, and then with your other hand tap the full stop button or the period button, depending on what you call it. Tap that, then let go of the Windows key, and then up will come this box here. And here you will see perhaps recently used emojis. If you click on the little arrow pointing to the right there, that opens that out. There you go, that's recent. And then if you scroll down, there you go, you've got smiley faces and animals. If you keep going down, there's absolutely loads here. And there you go, I've got people. So, and also here, I've got different skin tones as well. So I can obviously select the skin tones there for different people emojis. Keep going down. There you go, we've got celebrations and objects. And then further down, we've got food. There you go, food and plants. And then even further down, we've got transportation and places. And then if we keep going further down, the last one is we've got symbols such as hearts, etc. just in there. So there's quite a big selection. So how do you use any of these emojis? So all you do is just click once on the emoji that you want, and there we go. It puts it in. If you want to get rid of this, then you can just click on the cross in the top right hand corner, or you can just click the back button if you want to go back to the previous menu. You've also got GIFs down there as well, and symbols and Emoji as well. So the symbols, there you go. If you want to put in the good old paperclip, just click on it, and there it is. There's the paperclip. It's animated. And as I say, you've got emojis. They are Japanese style emojis. So let's just try a couple there. Let's click on that one. There we go. And if I click on the little arrow to the right of emoji, as you'll see, there are absolutely loads of them in there for you to search through. You can also, if you want, speaking of searching, you can also search for an emoji. So if I click in the search box and say type alien, that brings up the alien, looks at emojis and GIFs as well. And if I want to put one in, again, I just click once on the emoji. There's a nice little UFO there. Let's click on that. So there you go. That guide showed you how you can simply use emojis in Windows 11.